In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Odoo with Shopify using the official Odoo App Store, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This integration is extremely useful if you want to manage your products, orders, customers, and inventory from one central system, instead of juggling multiple dashboards. If you're running an e-commerce business and using Shopify for sales and Odoo for operations, this setup can save you a huge amount of time. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and Shopify tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to apps.odoo.com. You can either type this directly into the address bar or search for it on Google by typing apps.odoo.com and clicking the official Odoo App Store result. This is the marketplace where Odoo provides both free and paid apps that extend the functionality of your Odoo system. Once you're on the Odoo App Store homepage, take a moment to make sure you're logged in with the Odoo account that manages your database. This is important because you'll need access rights to install apps later. After confirming that, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Shopify. Press Enter to see the available Shopify integration apps. From the search results, look for a Shopify connector app that clearly mentions product synchronization and order synchronization. Typically, the official or well-maintained connectors will mention features like syncing products, customers, orders, inventory, and taxes between Shopify and Odoo. Click on the app listing to open its details page. On the app page, scroll down and carefully review the description. Pay attention to the supported Odoo versions to make sure it matches your current Odoo setup. Also check whether the app supports your Shopify plan and read through the feature list so you understand exactly what will be synced between the two platforms. When you're ready, click the Install button. This will redirect you to your Odoo database. If you're prompted to log in, enter your Odoo credentials. Odoo will then begin installing the Shopify connector app into your system. Wait for the installation to complete before moving on to the next step. After installation, go to your Odoo dashboard. You should now see a new Shopify or connector module available in the main menu. Click on it to open the configuration settings. Inside the settings, you'll usually find an option to connect your Shopify store. Now, open a new browser tab and log into your Shopify admin panel. From Shopify, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. Here, you may need to generate API credentials or allow access for the Odoo connector, depending on the app you installed. Carefully follow the instructions provided in the connector documentation. Copy the required information, such as the Shopify store URL, API key, and API password, and paste them into the corresponding fields in Odoo. Once all the details are entered, click the Connect or Test Connection button. If everything is configured correctly, Odoo will confirm that the connection to Shopify is successful. After the connection is established, you can start syncing data. You can import products from Shopify into Odoo, export products from Odoo to Shopify, and synchronize orders and customers. Most connectors allow you to control how often the sync happens, whether manually or automatically. Finally, test the integration by creating a test product or placing a test order in Shopify and checking if it appears correctly in Odoo. This ensures everything is working as expected. And that's it! You've successfully connected Odoo with Shopify using the Odoo App Store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Odoo integrations and e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.